Hello and welcome to Rohit's Kitchen Garden. In this video, I will be showing you how to grow broccoli in pots from seed. The seeds are quite small and the germination rate of these seeds is low. So I will be sowing many seeds in a pot with pre-soaked soil. After I place the seeds, I will cover the seeds with a very thin layer of soil and spray some water again. You can use something like a fruit cover like this to keep the birds out. After about 20 days, a lot of seeds have germinated. This plant needs a lot of space and I am using a 20-inch pot. My advice is one plant per 20-inch pot. After about 50 days, the plant will have many leaves. Use a stick to support its growth. The plant is very weak to hold itself when the broccoli starts to form. Also use some organic fertilizer at this time. Around 62 days later, the plant has become very big. From this time onwards, you will need to add a fertilizer every 15 to 20 days in the soil. It's day 74 and you can see the broccoli starting to form. Day 98 is when the broccoli is clearly visible. Day 104 is harvest time for me. To harvest, you need a pruner or a strong scissor. Give the broccoli on the stem a firm cut. If you wait for too long to harvest, this head will turn into a flower to produce seeds. So don't wait for too long to harvest it. After harvesting, a few weeks later, the plant will continue to produce small broccoli heads at the same place.